Hello, beautiful ladies. If you have thin hair and you are over 50, you are in the right place. Short hairstyle can be your secret weapon to looking youthful, stylish, and confident without spending hours on hair maintenance. Welcome back to Fashion Blast, your go to destination for beauty and style. Today, we are showcasing 40 stunning short hairstyles that are perfect for adding volume and elegance to thin hair. Let's get started. Let's be real, thin hair can be tricky to manage. Long styles often make it look flat, lifeless, or even thinner, but short hair, it works magic. A well cut short style can add instant volume, create the illusion of thickness, and highlight your beautiful features. Plus, it's so much easier to style and maintain. Short hairstyles are not just about convenience, they are about confidence. A chic pixie cut, a soft bob, or a layered crop can take care of your appearance while making sure your hair always looks fresh and full of life. Now let's talk about some of the best short hairstyle that work wonders for thin hair. Whether you prefer something classic or trendy, there's a perfect look for you. The pixie cut, short, stylish, and perfect for adding movement, bounce. It's super low maintenance. The layered bob. Layers create volume, making thin hair look thicker and fuller. Next is the feathered crop. Soft, elegant, and perfect for a light, airy look. Next is the textured shag. Adds depth and personality while keeping your hair looking youthful. Next is the asymmetrical cut, a trendy modern style that gives thin hair a dynamic shape. These styles are not just beautiful, they are designed to bring out the best in your hair. We have just shown you 40 stunning short hairstyles that are perfect for thin hair. Which one of your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you love fashion, beauty and hair inspiration, hit that like button and subscribe to Fashion Blast for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.